All right, let's get a check on what's playing out in the global space now. We see Apple Inc. Recently revealed the iPhone Air model and it's been delayed indefinitely in China, with local media reports attributing the delay to regulatory hurdles around the removal of physical SIM cards. Apple's Chinese website showed no clear pre-orders or release dates for the iPhone Air. Investor.com was also able to verify that. Other models from the recently launched iPhone 17 line showed pre-orders will open later, September 12th, beginning September 19th. So, still eyes on what's playing out there with the latest release there from Apple. All right, let's take it on to Europe now. See German inflation, that increased to 2.1% in August, according to data confirmed by the Federal Statistics Office today. Consumer prices harmonized to compare with other European Union countries. That showed a rise from 1.8% year-on-year increase recorded in July. This latest inflation reading marks an uptick in price pressures for Europe's largest economy after previous months of the figures there. The UK economy, that flatlined in July, a substantial slowdown from the growth seen in the prior month, increasing the pressure on the Bank of England to continue easing monetary policy. Data released earlier today by the Office for National Statistics shows that UK gross domestic product was unchanged in July on a monthly basis, followed by expansion of 0.4% in June. Now we see gold prices in Asian trading today hovering just below record highs as signs of a cooling U.S. labor market that reinforced bets on a Federal Reserve rate cut next week, despite slight stronger inflation data. Spot gold, that was up about 0.5% to $3,652 per ounce, not far from the all-time high, about $3,673 per ounce touched earlier this week. U.S. gold futures expiring in December also climbed about 0.5% to $3,692 per ounce. And shares of Evergrande Property Services Group surged today after the company said he had received initial takeover interest, raising hopes of a potential change of control for the cash-strapped developers' property management arm. The company disclosed that the liquidators of China Evergrande Group, which controls a 51% stake in Evergrande Property, has been actively seeking buyers and entered confidentiality agreements with potential investors. Now we see Gemini Space Station Inc., a crypto platform. They've announced the pricing of its initial public offering of about 15.17 million shares of Class A common stock at $28 per share. The company and the selling, shareholders granted underwriters a 30-day option to purchase up to an additional 758,929 shares to cover the over allotments there. And the company's Class A common stock is expected to begin trading on the NASDAQ Global Select Market. That's today under the ticker symbol GEMI. The offering is expected to close on September 15th, 2025, subject to customary closing conditions. All right, let's get a check on live trading right here at the local bourse, and we're seeing a 0.11% rise right now. The markets are open right here in Nigeria, still holding on to the 140,000 level by 805 points, and we see the active trades this morning. We're getting tickers from the insurance sector. We're seeing tickers from banking there, getting attention from investors. The likes of Burger Paints, ICO Insurance, that's down right now. And definitely we see corn oil, CNI leasing on the flip side. That's in the green right now, but still very early trading right now. We'll give you an update on 1:30 in Business Incorporated on what's playing out for the intraday markets, even with the global markets that we track, how investors are trading the TGIF day right here.